Good morning, everyone. Today is August 21st, 2024. I just realized that I didn't put up my atomic clock here, but you can see the date, 8/21 right there at the x-axis below the TSL 1 and TSL 2. Now, I'm about to get into this trade. Hold on one second. Let me get in. You see my mouse is on buy market. Let me click it. Okay, I'm in. You'll notice that the ask price at that time was $231. I got filled at $229, a couple of pennies better. I don't let a few pennies keep me from getting in the trade. Let me put my stop in, and that's the first thing you always do. Now, let me tell you why I did this, okay? We've got a slingshot gap right here, and we have an inverted H pattern, which looks like an upside down chair. And those of you that have listened to me before know that we always enter the trade right here on the front leg of the chair. I got in about 221.80. So once the price drops down to 221.40, it's moved 40 cents in my favor. I'm going to tighten my stop from 15 cents to break even. What did it go to? I think it went to, let me just see. 221.41, 1 penny away. Okay, there it is. Geez, I'm typing in break even and it's already taking off. I don't know what's going on. This is a little bit unusual. Trades don't usually move this far, this fast. There's obviously some, look at this. What was that, a few seconds or a couple of minutes we're in? It doesn't even really make sense to put my stop in. What goes up fast usually comes down fast, and I'm gonna get out with, let's see, how about 550? Boom. Okay, I don't know what caused that, but this goes to show you that, I talk about timing and direction all the time. Clearly, timing is more important than direction, because if you don't know well, look at this thing go. If you don't know the direction, you shouldn't even be trading. The charts tell us the direction. It's the timing that is critical. And we know how to time our entries. So you take a look at this, obviously it made more money. I really don't care. The reason I got out with a $550 profit, let's just make this bigger so you can even read what I was typing. I didn't realize the font was so small. Because I talk a lot about a new trader with 10 contracts, which is exactly what this video is for. You can see that I'm only trading 10 contracts. It's a teaching lesson. And that $450 is a very respectable profit target for any new trader to set their sights on. Build up that stop loss bank. So wanted to share this video with you, wanted to share this setup with you. I had no idea it was gonna take off this fast, and it's still going. Look at this, where are we? 340. What did I sell? I think I sold it 284 or something like that. It doesn't really matter because, again, when you are starting out trading, you want to stack $100 bills into your trading account. So what's the old line? You can't go broke taking a profit. So that was a setup with, frankly, 3 patterns. And in this video, I'm showing you one of our 3 TSL charts. If you want to learn how to do this, reach out to us, wealthbuildersinstitute.com, or send an email to support@wealthbuildersinstitute.com. Talk with you soon.